Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Yeah. So we took like a little, like 2 week, maybe a month break. It was like over a month. It was like since, I don't think we posted this year. We started our channel on January 2nd. Really? Yeah. Shows how much I know. So we've been gone for a bit. We have some tea to spill. Hot. So today we are going to be doing what's in my bag. Huh? Yeah, this isn't rehearsed, so I don't know. So we're supposed to like write scripts or something? Yeah, so we're gonna do what's in our bag. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to see because my bag's a mess and maybe it'll help me. No, like legit, my bag is a mess. It'll help me clean it out a bit, so. Usually carry around this type of bag. It's so little. I usually like carry around big purses or backpacks because I don't know, I like to like carry my life around, my whole face. Same. I recently got this because when I go out, all I want to like put in is my cards and chapstick, and that's about it. Like a pad or two. Yeah, a pad or 2 or 3 or 4. All right, so I guess we're gonna go like back and forth. So we can start with you. The first thing I have in my bag is, she wanted to show this so fast. My 20-foot charger. That is not 20 feet, stop lying. I don't know, maybe like 12 feet. It's a big ass charger. Like you never know. Stop lying, that's like 5 feet. No, so it's probably like 12. Do you want to go get a roller? What are you saying? Alright, okay, let's see. I got the roller. Alright. Alright, that's 1 foot. Okay. Go ahead. Got it. Hold it straight. 2. Okay, maybe 6. I said 5. And you're like 12. 3. 4. I think it's 7. Or 10. 5. 8. 6. Oh, 8. 7. Oh, 7? 8. I don't know, maybe like 8 or 9. I missed a spot or 2. All right, so 4. I have so much stuff in here. Okay. Okay. So it's like a treasure chest. All right. This is my Fenty Beauty concealer stick. Trying to figure out why you carry a concealer stick. You've never like had like a pimple or something, and you're like, what? I literally carry this everywhere I go, like, you know. What shade is it? Bitch, I don't know, you were there. Linen. Linen. Why are you laughing? Just laughing. You don't know anybody that carries a concealer stick around with them? No. You need to meet new people, huh? Alright, so seriously, I don't get what, can you explain to like me and everybody why this is so funny? You've never had like a red spot and you want to like, get rid of it? Wear like my foundation on a concealer stick. I don't wear this as foundation, but like I go out and I have like a red spot, I'm not gonna put a whole new face of foundation. No, just like get some foundation. Like, so what, why not do this? instead of get some foundation and put it on. All right, back from that good old laugh.
I have my Michael Kors little change purse, but I use it like for all my cards. I don't think I have any change in here.
What you got in there?
I don't know, let's see. I have my Disneyland pass that expires on the 16th tomorrow. I have my AAA, my medical card, my ID, an Olive Garden card because I'm fat as fuck, and my debit card. Some receipts. Let's see how much change I have in here. 27 cents.
Girl, you was bizzallin'. Would you like to do the honors? Close your eyes.
Alright.
Ah! Okay. So this is a pen that looks like a needle.
That's safe.
I got this, it is safe. I got this at the 99-cent store during Halloween. I thought it was cool.
Oh yeah, that's cute. It's purple.
Ooh!
Bitches ballin'. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Here, I have my earpods.
Ooh, she got money!
Money, honey. I need to charge them, but these are a necessity to have in your bag. And then my little red case. So cute, so cute. I got this for Christmas, I think.
And black ones are coming out. And I
Black
those.
ones?
Yeah, black ones are coming out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
And they have better like base and stuff, so.
I'll get those too.
Oh, she got money! Okay, so she's taking a little gum break. And let's see what I got.
So I have gum in my purse. You get to do too, because I did too.
What the fuck was that voice? Okay, what do I got? I don't have anything interesting, like, okay. This is Casey's. Alright, I'm gonna go again. I got a kiss.
Every kiss begins with K.
You know, just in case I want a little
blood
chocolate
sugar.
here and there. What? In case I have low blood sugar? Okay.
I said only 2.
I got a lollipop that I got from when Casey got a haircut.
Oh yeah, those are good.
I got $3.
Oh, let's see how much I got.
Ooh!
She got money. 5, 6, 7.
What's with your accents today?
So, I have my anchor. Y'all know what an anchor is? An anchor. Do y'all know what an anchor is? An anchor is, it's a portable charger. It says heavy.
That's what it's called, an anchor?
Yeah, anchor.
Oh, it is.
Anchor.
I thought she was just saying it because it's heavy.
Oh no, it's pretty heavy too. But it's an anchor. It's
Not that heavy.
It's a really good charger. Ring ring. So it's a portable charger. It has 2 charger things. And it's really good. It lasts for a long time. It should be better because these things are not cheap or whatever.
It's like $75.
For a portable charger, that should be like $19.99 or something. I have a, okay, go like this. When I press this, say chicken. When I say, no, stop. When I press this one, you say chicken. When I press this one, you say wing, okay?
No, what is this?
Just do it.
Okay. Chicken, wing, chicken, chicken, wing, chicken, 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 wing, 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 wing.
Who's there?
Alright, so it turns out it was the hamster. Turns out this girl needs to get on TikTok. Alright. Another lollipop. Okay. I got my retainer stuck in everything.
I need to start wearing mine.
I wear mine at night.
I have a Trust Fund Beauty lip gloss. This came in one of my Oopsie bags and it just has been with me through it all.
I got some Tic Tacs.
I have some Tylenol in an ibuprofen bottle because I can't have ibuprofen.
I got a Home Goods receipt.
I have some.
My receipts be looking like phone numbers. If it ain't one of them wrong numbers. Oh! What? You have those?
Yeah, so I bought a whole pack of Lip Smacker lip glosses. Like, they were like my childhood. They were like $2.99 for like 6 of them. And right now I have the strawberry one and the cotton candy.
Ooh,
and like
cotton candy is my fave.
I have like a really like sweet tooth right now, so it's like my go-to to put these on because it just like tastes so amazing. I think I have the fruit punch one in here too somewhere.
I have my ID. Because I get ID'd everywhere.
I have my Marc Jacobs Sunnies.
That she found.
Yeah, my wife found them on somebody's car.
I have a ring that I don't know where it came from.
I have
I think
my
I stole it from somebody's bathroom.
I have my stress relief lotion. This is like my go-to
I have
lotion.
This chapstick. It's in the.
Who got it for you?
It's in the shape or what? It looks like a peach.
It's peach chapstick.
Oh my god! It smells.
Smell it, guys.
Smell it.
Oh, it smells good.
She got it for me because
Yeah.
she got money.
My honey. Want some lotion?
Yeah. I got my Fenty Beauty lip gloss.
I have some cookies in case I get hungry. Oh, look, I got this in the mail today. This is my registration and renewal notice. That's what's up. You know?
That's what's up for us.
Since I got money. Oh. I got some mints.
Oh yes,
The girl's breast
I
thing.
won't know.
I'm just kidding. A hair tie because I'm gonna keep this hair tie over here because I don't.
All right, so I have this card for
I need my hair tie.
this lady that does eyelashes. I was at a bar and I left and I was trying to find my way back home and I ran into this lady and I started telling her, oh my god, I like your hair. And then she's like, oh my god, thank you, I do eyelashes.
Hey,
Here's
we're
my
not giving
card.
her clout.
I'm not giving her clout. I'm just, let me tell the story. I'm not kidding.
Okay.
And then I'm like, how much? And she goes, $165. And I'm like, I told you the story?
No.
Oh. I'm like, $165 to do eyelashes? She's like, I'm a pro. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'll call you. Okay, so I have this lotion. And it is cake lotion. And it smells so good.
Yeah,
it smells
like a cupcake.
Cupcake, yes.
Oh,
Stop.
that smells good. What's this? Guys, this.
We're pregnant!
Yeah, we are. Baby is coming September 2019
I am going to be an aunt.
for the first time.
First time.
And the baby will be here September 2019. So we've been gone because
Yeah.
I've been sick.
Ultrasounds and throwing up and
sleeping,
breaking out, and
I mean, I have my lucky days
not
here and
eating,
there.
and
yeah, I haven't ate for like 2 weeks. Yeah, basically, yeah, she knows everything that I've been going through. So I got these Preggy Pops. And the lemon ones don't really help, but the green apple is gross, but the sour tangerine and the raspberry are pretty good.
I think she's having a boy.
I think I'm having a girl.
Yeah, it's a boy.
And like, it's just making me break out. So comment down below what you think I'm gonna have, because I think a girl, because it's like sucking the beauty out of me, and that's what they say. Like,
and give her some recommendations for like morning sickness.
Because I've had it really bad. That's why
Really
like
bad.
I haven't been here, because I just feel like throwing up every time I wake up, and all day. It's like not even only in the morning, not only at night, it's literally all day. It freaking sucks. So yeah, that's our big tea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and
We should be making more. We should
yeah,
be staying in the loop.
yeah, once like
She starts feeling better.
yeah, it just like really sucks because I can't really like. Oh, that's the
It's a
washer. Like, I don't feel like talking. I don't.
Can I
feel
try
like
one?
eating.
Which one's the best?
Aw, you're gonna take my good ones. Take this one. It really tastes like.
I don't like yellow. I don't even like lemon. Oh my god. Ugh.
No,
like when I eat
it tastes like you're eating a lemon's ass. Honestly.
Sorry, I've never done that before, so.
Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys, and we will be back real soon with more videos, and this video will be up.
When is your next ultrasound? We should.
I'm not sure my next ultrasound. The first ultrasound, I wasn't really feeling like recording it, because I was just, it was literally 2 minutes. They were like over it. The girl was like sick. That was.
It was like wham bam, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, literally all we saw was the heartbeat, because I am very early on. So there wasn't much to see, so hopefully next ultrasound we'll get to see more. And yeah, maybe we could take you guys.
Yeah.
Because she'll be there the next one. She wasn't there the first one.
I better fucking be there.
Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.
Bye.